5 years after the event, what caused the Tu-144 to crash is only now being revealed. Minutes before Concorde and the Tu-144 were scheduled to fly, a French Army Mirage jet took off. A surprising departure, since at international air shows, competing pilots expect to have the skies to themselves. Regulations state that a 5-mile column of airspace must be kept free for their display. Concorde's crew was warned that the Mirage would be flying. Jean Forestier, French accident investigator, was asked if the same courtesy had been extended to the Russian crew.
No.
Why not?
Bon, écoutez.
Right. Listen, we're moving away from the subject. If this is the case, we will go round and round impossible issues. As far as I'm concerned, it's very clear. The conversation is going in such a way. It's quite clear. Right, it's over.
Jean Forestier's revelation that the Soviet crew was not warned of the Mirage was excluded from the government statement.